Hi, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show with you how to crochet a cowl. So I'm going to use this yarn here, Meyer, and I'm using 9mm hook. This is 100% polyacrylic and 200 gram, which is equal to 120 meter. If you want to use the same color here, this is the color 165 00165. I have an information here. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, almost everything, and YouTube also. So to begin in this project, we're going to make a slip knot. And now make a chain of 26. You should have an even number. If you want longer, you can make a chain of more. You can add more chain, but make it an even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, something like that. Okay, so here I have a chain of 26. Okay, and now I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, and let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook right there. Yarn over and pull. 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops only. You have 2 loops left in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the rest of the loop in the hook. That is our second double crochet. And we are going to make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way down. Okay, making 1 double crochet in each of the stitch, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. And here I am in my last stitch, making my last double crochet. And this is how it looks like. Round 3, we're going to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work around and make 1 double crochet in the 2nd stitch from the hook. So skip this stitch, and in the next stitch insert your hook and make 1 double crochet. Okay, this is considered as our first double crochet. And in the next stitch we're going to make a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the front post in the previous double crochet like this, which is in the 3rd double crochet in the previous round. So let's count 1, 2, 3, make a double crochet here, yarn over, insert your hook in the front post like this, inserting our hook like this. Okay, yarn over and pull, and just make a normal double crochet after inserting your hook in the front post double crochet in the previous round. And now we're going to repeat that one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next previous double crochet, and make a double crochet. That is our front post double crochet, our second front post double crochet. And now in the next stitch we're going to make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So insert your hook in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet there, and then in the next stitch make 1 double crochet again. And to repeat that pattern, making 2 front post double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Do that all the way to the end. Here I am in my last 2 previous double crochet. I'm going to make front post double crochet in each of that. 1, and last 1, 2. So you should end up with a front post double crochet. And this is how it looked like for our round 3. Round 3, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work around and make 1 back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook at the back. We're going to insert our hook at the back in the 2nd previous front post double crochet, which is this one here. Okay, so 1 and 2. Insert your hook like this, and lifting the double crochet, the front post double crochet up like this, and make a double crochet. Very easy. Now we are going to make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, then 2. 2 back post double crochet in the next 2 previous front post double crochet. Insert your hook like this and make a back post double crochet. We just insert our hook like this, okay? And just make a normal double crochet after you insert your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in the back post double crochet like this. Yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now again 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now we're going to make 2 back post double crochet in the next 2 previous front post double crochet like this. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook in the back post, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to repeat this pattern all the way down, and I'm gonna meet you once I am in the end. And here I am in my last 2 stitches. Now I'm going to make a double crochet since my previous round is double crochet, not a front post double crochet. And then count 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook right there and make your last double crochet right there. So we have here a total of 24 stitches also. So our total of stitches in each round should be 24 stitches in total always. This is the other side and this is the other side. Round 5, we're going to repeat round 3, making front post double crochet. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work around. We're going to repeat round 3, which is this one, making the front post double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. And then here, now we're going to make a front post double crochet in the next previous back post double crochet. Like this. And in the next previous front post double crochet, make a front post double crochet. We just repeat round 3, okay? 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 more. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. And here, make 1 front post double crochet in the next previous front post double, back post double crochet, and in the next back post double crochet in the previous round. This was our back post double crochet, remember, in our round 4. Now they are in the same position, and we're going to repeat this pattern all the way down, repeating round 3, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. Here in our last stitch, making our last front post double crochet, 1 and 2, making our last 2 front post double crochet. Round 6, we're going to repeat round 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work around, skip 1 stitch, and make the back post double crochet in the next front post double crochet in the previous round. So like this. Okay. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. We just repeat round 4, and then 1 back post double crochet in the previous front post double crochet, inserting our hook like this. Okay, and then make a double crochet, as well as in the next front post double crochet in the previous round, inserting our hook like this and make a double crochet. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I am in the end. Here I am in the end. I'm going to make my last 2 double crochet in the last 2 stitches. Count 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, make a double crochet, 1 double crochet right there. And there you go. We're done with our round 6. And the other side. This is the result of our front post and back post double crochet. We're just going to repeat rounds 3 and 4 over and over again until we get to the length we desired. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I am done. So here I have reached a total of 25 rows, and this is 19 inches long, and we have almost 11 inches wide. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Now secure the remaining stitch. I will use a smaller hook so I can insert my hook easily, and here I'm going to make this in half. And yarn over and pull, and just make a few knots. So now we're going to use a smaller hook, which is I use 3.5mm hook, and now we're going to fold this like this. Okay, so from here like this all the way to the end, to the other end. Okay, so like that, and then I will just put this in the middle like this. Now I have here cut a 60 inches yarn, the same color. Now we're going to insert our hook. Insert your hook here in the first stitch, and grab the other piece and insert your hook here in the first stitch also, like that. Okay, yarn over and pull, like that, and then go in the next stitch. Grab the other piece and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull. Insert your hook in the next stitch here. Yarn over and pull. And grab the other piece. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull. Or we can try it also with a bigger yarn, bigger hook. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull. Grab the other piece. Grab the other piece, insert your hook, yarn over and pull. So actually using 9mm hook is also good. Sometimes there are some stitches that's hard to go through. Insert your hook in the next stitch in the other side, and insert your hook in the next stitch in the other piece. Yarn over and pull. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Insert your hook in the next stitch. And the other piece, yarn over and pull. Insert your hook in the next stitch here, and grab the other piece, insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull. And I'm gonna repeat that in each of the stitches here. This is my way of connecting them together. It's up to you how you want to connect them together. As for me, it's easier this way.
softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not.
Now I will just make a few knots.
1, 2,
and 3. There you go. It's very easy. Once you're done, cut the yarn. Now I'm going to hide this yarn here.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down.
And here in the end, I'm going to secure this one also.
I'm going to hide this. I'm going to secure this one also. Make this in a half. And then insert my hook here and yarn over and pull. I just insert here anywhere in the end here, so I can make a few knots. Okay, just securing the stitch. Make a few knots. And then I'm going to hide the rest of this yarn.
And now just cut the yarn. It's enough. And there you go, we're done with our cowl.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken,